going on, y'all? This is Josh with Drive the Coast. We're here looking at this gorgeous 1972 Ford Bronco. Do a little walk around here of it. We just put nice, slick, laser slick red paint on it. Restored the hardtop. It's in excellent condition. Got brand new wheels and tires all the way around. New bumper on the back. Interior's been all redone. It's super nice. 302 V8 in it with 3-speed on the column. Runs perfect, fires right up like it should. It's got a new carburetor, new power booster, new brake lines, new master cylinder, etc. Some of the other tie rods and bushings and stuff was also replaced. That is a hydraulic winch, so it operates off the transfer case. Rear seat, front buckets all in excellent condition. Got a nice vinyl matting. Door panels all in excellent condition. The floor pans are excellent. No issues at all with any of the floor pans anywhere. Solid metal everywhere. Windows all roll up and down like they should. We do have financing available for those with a 680 and up credit score. 10% down. We also have nationwide shipping is also available at a super reasonable cost, right around $1 a mile. Inspections welcome. You're welcome to come see the truck in person. Like I said, we work with any bank, but we do have our own financing if you need that. Let's give it a little fire up here. Fires up real nice there. And if you want to come to the beach while you're at it, might as well. Anyway, y'all, we're going to sign off for now. If you want to hop on our website, drivethecoast.com, we do have pictures of all of our cars, as well as pictures of this Bronco here. Let me know how I can earn your business. Thanks so much.